Hello guys, welcome back to SNS channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the pop-up menus. So if you click on this list item, we can see that we got a pop-up menu with options that correspond to that list. So today I'm going to show you how to make those. First you want to get the button or text or something that's going to launch your pop-up menu. Here I have the text which is going to open the pop-up menu, which is going to let me to choose which language I want. So in my property I set ID to but set language, and I'm going to use that in my activity. So first and almost, I'll go up and declare the new text view. So you don't have to use text view, you can use button instead. Let's call it language picker, for example, just like you learned in the first episode. D. Oops, I screwed up. Text view dot ID dot but set language, and I want my pop-up menu to show off when I click on that text. So lang picker dot click standard one. Okay. So in order to get the pop-up menu, you'll have to create the layout that's gonna contain all the options you will have. So in your resource, create a folder and call it menu, and you want to add a new item, just new layout, and I'm gonna call this one pop-up, or not, just menu language. Okay. My computer is a bit slower because I have a bunch of things here. What? Thrust, okay. Just some random errors. Okay, so right here you're gonna delete everything, expect from the top row. So you're gonna have a new menu. And XML and Android. This is standard procedure for every layout, and actually I shouldn't delete this, but okay. I think we have it, this one, and I want to set the background color, so Android background to be dark gray. Okay. And now I'm just gonna set the items I'm gonna have. So we have the item with Android ID. Whoops. Wasn't coding for a while. The item 1. This ID actually doesn't matter, so just set anything. And Android title. So title is the name that will be shown. So I'm gonna set the first one to be English. Close this. No, we can use that, but we can close it this way too. I prefer this one. And another item. So you can set as much of these as you want. Check. Let's actually copy these because I'm lazy. Okay, there's going to be the item 2, and it's going to be Serbian. I think it should be spelled like that. Okay, ignore spelling. Okay, now when we have that, we can return here. So we'll make a pop-up menu. Pop-up menu. Let's give it a name, lang pick, and it's gonna be the new pop-up menu in this context. And here we're gonna set the anchor, and that's basically where the pop-up menu will show. So if you set anchor to this text view, it's going to show underneath or up of it, above. So I forget how it's lang picker, okay. You're going to see that in a moment. So lang picker. Now we're just gonna inflate it with the light out. So basically we're just going to put the items from the light out to our menu. Menu inflator dot inflate, and now using that resource dot menu dot language picker, this one dot menu. Okay, and now you just want to show it, so language pick dot show. Okay, so when we press the text, our menu will show off. Hallelujah, application is launched. Okay, this took a while. Okay, so if you click the set application language, we got English, Serbian. So if you click on it, nothing happened, but we're going to fix that soon. So over here, you're going to add language pick dot menu item click plus equal, and we're not going to insert anything. That's orange. Whoops. Minus equal. Okay. So, if this is how I do it, I think there might be a different way, but so convert dot to string, and now we're going to convert the title. So arch dot item dot title formatted right here, if that is equal to name you're giving it, which is English. So if that is equal to English, you're going to do this, else if, I'm just going to copy these, and if the clicked item name is this, you're going to do this. Okay, so I'm just going to create a quick toast so you can see it's working. Oh, it was faster this time. So if we click on English, you can see the toast English, and if we click on Serbian, you can see Serb. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you learned something, and see you in the next one. Bye guys.